In this video, I will show you how you can change or rename your AirTag item. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that your AirTag is paired with your iPhone or iPad. After that, on your iPhone or iPad, just open the Find My app. And over here, just go to the item section. In the item section, just tap on the name of your AirTag. Now to change the name of the AirTag, just tap on the three dots over here. Now just scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now just tap on change name or emoji. Now over here, just scroll down and select the name which you want to set for your AirTag. Now if you cannot find the exact name or object in this list, you can select custom. Now over here, you can enter a custom item name which you want to track. For example, let's say if it is your laptop bag. Now, if you want to set a custom emoji for this item, just tap on the emoji icon and select an emoji. Now, after you enter your name and after you select your emoji, then tap on done. And as you can see, we have successfully changed the name of the AirTag item. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.